What's going on, y'all? Thanks for clicking on another video for Cowboy Diecast Racing. Today we're going to do a ripping race. It's kind of like you saw in the thumbnail. I found these two at Ross. This is the HW Hot Trucks 10-pack. And I found this Hot Wheels Silver Series 8-pack. Or 7-pack, whichever one, but or 6-pack. There you go. There's those. That's what those look like. And we will get the vehicles out and we'll start racing. We'll race 10-pack first, then we will race the Hot Wheels Silver Series pack, and then whoever is the winner of those two will race each other. Alright, let's get them up there. Alright, y'all. We have the 10-pack out of the box for the HW Hot Trucks. And then here are this 8-pack Hot Wheels Silver Series. So you got your Ford Lightning, it's like a 40s Chevy, or 44, there's a 40s Chevy, like a 56 Ford Panel Wagon, a Mazda Repo, this Cyclone, little Studebaker, that's called the Renton Rig, little Fantasy Wrecker there, and a Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Have an Alfa Romeo, that's a Coinseg Gamera, old Bentley Continental GT3, a Porsche 935, a Volvo Drift, and the Lancia Delta Integral. So, like I said, we're going to race these. We'll race the trucks first, and then we'll race the cars. And then whoever wins of those two races will race each other. This is just a ripping race, guys. Something I don't normally do. I usually use graphite on mine, but it's fun to do those two. Alright, let's get the first two trucks up there. Alright, guys. Let's go old school. That 40s dragster truck and this white Ford Lightning. Alright, that's a 90s model Lightning. Right there. I'm going to move these trucks over here. And we're going to get going. Alright, here we go. Whoa, guys, that drag truck beat that Lightning. All right, next race. All right, guys, we're gonna do like a one and done, especially if it's like a gap. But if it's close, we'll race. We'll swap lanes and race because it's only trucks race. But there's a 50s Chevy, that cool flame on the side, and that 56 Ford Panel truck. All right. Alright, guys, this is a ripping race. There's no graphite on these. Thought I'd do something different. Here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
Woo! Now see, that one's close, so let's race that. Change lanes and race that again. Alright, lanes have been swapped. That panel truck won the last race, so let's see if he does it again in 5. Here we go.
Winner, lane 5.
And Next race. Okay, guys, how about the Mazda Repu? That's a cool truck. And that Cyclone. I love those Cyclones. Those are such cool trucks. Wish I had one in real life, but they are pricey right now, as all the real 80s, 90s cars are going up in value for Gen X guys like me. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go.
Lane 2!
Alright guys, that was a one and done because that Cyclone won that race pretty easy. Next race. What about this Studebaker truck and the Ren and Rig? Look at that little fantasy semi. Let's see what who wins that one. All right, here we go.
Winner! Lane 2!
Yeah, that Ren and Rig actually was almost a car ahead of that one, so that's a one and done. All right, next race. Okay, guys, here's a crazy matchup. Look at this fancy gold maroon wrecker and the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. I don't know. It actually fits too. That's cool. It's not that wide. I do have one of those Unimogs in a Zamac. They look pretty cool. So, all right. Here we go. That Unimog was ahead and that wrecker came around and got him from behind. So there you go. There's a one and done. All right, guys. Here's the, I guess you'd say, finals for the trucks. The panel truck and this 40s Ford Dragster. All right. Let's see who's going to win this one. Is it gonna be a gap? Here we go.
Winner! Lane 5!
Woo. No, it wasn't. Let's swap lanes and do that one again. All right, y'all. Got them swapped. Let's see if this is still a close race or if that made a difference. Swapping the lanes. All right, here we go.
Winner! Lane 2!
No, that panel truck was like gap age. All right, y'all, let's do that. Ren and Rig and the Cyclone. Let's see if they both are pretty quick, so let's see who takes this one. Here we go.
Winner! Lane 2!
I was really close. Let's swap them and do it again. The Ren and Rig won though. Lanes are swapped. Got the Rig over here and the Cyclone in 2. All right, here we go.
Winner! Lane 2!
Oh, they're 1-1. We're going to the third race. All right, guys, here's the lanes for the third race. Ren and Rig is in 4. The Cyclone is in 3. All right. Here we go.
Winner, lane 3.
It's close, but the Cyclone took it. All right, we're gonna do this fantasy wrecker. Golden maroon against the 50s panel truck. All right. And then whoever wins that race is going up against the Cyclone. Here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
Yeah, that was kind of close, so let's swap them, do it again. There we are, guys. Lanes are swapped, so see that fantasy record does it again, or if this panel truck pulls one out. Here we go.
Winner, lane 5.
Nah, that panel was in front, and the wrecker came around back and took it. He's the winner. All right, guys, the final race for the trucks, and then we'll get to the cars. There you go. Who do you think will be a Cyclone or the Renton rig? I don't know. I'm kind of pulling for the Cyclone because I like those trucks. Here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
Wow. Let's do it again and see who takes it for the second race. All right. Well, we got the lane swapped. So the Renton rig be their champion for the trucks, or will the Cyclone even the score? I don't know. Here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
Cyclone's like, nope, you ain't winning 2 on me. He actually took that one by almost a full truck. So third race, here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna go 1 and 3 because the Renton rig kind of was touching this on that side, so I want to make the race fair. All right, here's the third race. We'll see who takes it. Here we go.
Winner, lane 3.
There's your champion for the HW Hot Trucks 10-pack is the Cyclone. Let's get racing the cars, and whoever wins the cars will race the top one race against the Cyclone. Okay, guys, here's the first two for the cars. The Lancia Delta Integral and the 240 Volvo Drift. All right, like I said, these cars are just ripping a race. No graphite. All right, here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
That was very close. Let's swap and do it again. There we go, guys. Got the lanes swapped. 240 and 5. And the Lancia in 2. All right. Here we go. Oh!
Winner, lane 5.
Did you see the Lancia went out of control? Oh, man. Let's do a third race and see if we can't correct that. I don't know what happened, but here we go. All right, guys. Third race, we're going to do 3 and 4. Alright. That was the second race, 3 and 4. We're redoing the second one, so here we go. No, it didn't matter. Volvo takes it. Next car. Alright guys, the next race is the Bentley Continental GT3 and the Porsche 935. Both great looking cars. Let's see how they perform on the track. Alright. Here we go. Bentley took that race. Let's swap them, do it again. Alright guys, got the lane swapped. Let's get racing here. Alright, here we go.
Winner, lane 5.
True to that race, guys. Alright guys, let's do that again. I don't know what's up that second lane. I was expecting it and I'm not sure why cars doing that. Trucks didn't really do that, but alright. Let's redo it. Here we go. Ooh, the Bentley still took it. Next car. Alright guys, how about the Alfa Romeo and the Koenigsegg Gamera? Alright. Let's see how it happens. Oh. Alright, ready, set, go. Guys, I don't know. Let me try that again. I know, guys, I ran it off camera and I didn't do it again, so let's see how it goes. Here we go.
Winner, lane 5.
Alright, let's run it again. It was the Alfa Romeo. Alright guys, we got the lane swapped. Here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
Alfa Romeo takes it. Alright guys, here's the 240 drift. Alfa Romeo. Let's see who takes that one for this final round for the cars. Here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
It was a 240 drift. Let's swap them and do it again. The lanes are swapped, so let's see if that 240 takes it again. Here we go. No.
Winner, lane 2.
Alright, going to the third race. Alright, here's our third race lanes. 240 in 3. And Alfa Romeo in 4. Let's see who wants it bad enough to race the Bentley, maybe. Alright, here we go.
Winner, lane 3.
240 drift by like a bumper. All right, next race. All right, guys, we got the 240 Volvo there, drift in 2, and we have the Bentley Continental GTS in 5. Who do y'all think's gonna win? Oh, I don't know. Ready, set, go. Bentley took a let's swap lanes and do it again. All right, let's see if that Bentley does a clean sweep or if this Volvo evens the score. Here we go. Ready, set, go.
Winner, lane 2.
No. So Bentley wins for the cars. Now he's going to take on the Cyclone for the HW Hot Trucks. Alright, guys. Here we go. The competition to see who wins this. Hot Trucks versus Hot Wheels Silver Series cars. I'm going for that Bentley. I'm going for that Cyclone. I like the Cyclones. Alright. Here we go.
Winner, lane 2.
That Bentley was almost a whole car out, but let's swap lanes and do it again. There you go, guys. Swap the lanes. Let's see if the Bentley does a clean sweep or if that Cyclone decides to even the score. All right, here we go.
Winner, lane 5.
That Cyclone was out front. That Bentley said, nope, not today. So there's your winner, guys, for these 2 different packs. There you go, guys. There's your winner and champion for this race tournament. This Bentley Continental GTS. And this is the winner for the trucks in second place. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. And please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, guys. Help my channel grow. Got many more videos coming up. So thanks again for tuning in. And I will see you all down that Cowboy Diecast Racing Trail on the next video. Have a good day. God bless.